Dear English, I know you can read when I'm writing. You're going too far, ruining my life, perishing my happiness and confidence. But there is something you normally forget. I'm a Kinyarwanda native. Please drop your guns and note that I didn't like you even once, dominating my mother tongue. I wasn't born to speak you. I wasn't going to adapt it either. I struggle with you because you dictate to me. Keep in mind that I hate just that way. You can't let me just be myself. You keep ruling my ideologies because you know your deadly strains. You have been made a pretext of anyone willing to offend my merits, bragging or chiding their provenance to even measure my Kinyarwanda skills. Still don't know why I envy you? You confused my friends, siblings, and parents who are even getting lost from their identity because of you and some of your allies, without minding how poor you are, Hamunoga in your tradition. In the name of myself and I pour my deepest wrath upon you, against all your manifestations to write and speak you less, until you feel how Kinyarwanda suffers. I know you will get to your knees begging to seize my vengeance, but I will never give you any of the chances. I will ruin your hypocrisy and settlement till you respect my provenance. Because, my dearest English, the only thing I will be doing is mistakes, and they will never give a shit. I will love being called umuturesi uzahamana bakwemereye kwanga iwabo. I never questioned your existence, but you're uprooting my own one, forgetting that you live in an assemblage of the dialects that can't measure up to ours, but you still think you're supreme. Thank you. Hope you remind your business. Your mad spoiler, LAKHPIN.